Can you replace your wallet with a smartphone or wearable?
Many people wonder if their phone or smartwatch can fully replace a traditional wallet. As technology advances, payments, identification, and even tickets are becoming digital. But is it really possible to leave your wallet at home and go entirely digital? Let's look at what's possible and where limits remain.
How do mobile and wearable payments work?
Mobile and wearable devices can store your credit, debit, or prepaid card information securely. Apps like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Samsung Pay allow you to pay at many stores with a tap. Wearables, such as smartwatches, offer similar contactless payments, making daily purchases faster and easier.
Can digital IDs and tickets replace physical ones?
Many states and countries now support digital IDs and tickets. Digital driver's licenses, boarding passes, loyalty cards, and transit tickets can be stored on your phone. While convenient, some places and authorities may still require physical copies, so it's important to keep an eye on local laws and rules.
What about cash, receipts, and other essentials?
Not all businesses or situations accept digital payments. Small shops, street vendors, and remote areas may only take cash. Physical receipts are sometimes needed for returns or proof. Other wallet items, like library cards, health insurance, or emergency contacts, might not be digital ready everywhere.
What are the main limitations of going cashless?
Going fully digital depends on device power, connectivity, and local acceptance. A dead battery, technical glitch, or a place that doesn't accept tap to pay could leave you stranded. Security and privacy concerns also play a role. Protecting sensitive info is crucial if your phone or wearable goes missing.
Tips for transitioning to a digital wallet.
If you want to go digital, start gradually. Add your cards and tickets to your phone or smartwatch and check local digital ID options. Bring a backup card or small amount of cash for emergencies. Stay aware of device battery life and review security settings to keep your information safe.
Bottom line, can you really leave your wallet at home?
It's possible for many people in urban areas, but rarely 100% foolproof. Digital wallets work best where contactless payments and digital IDs are widely accepted. However, keeping a backup physical card or small amount of cash is smart until the world fully catches up with technology.